Stop scrolling! I have a challenge for you before today's lesson begins. You have 3 seconds to translate this sentence into Spanish. There is a problem. Go.
If you said es un problema, you just fell into the biggest trap for English speakers!
To find out the real magic word, you need to meet my teacher. Let's go! There is, there are, is there, are there.
Maestro Bujo, why does English need so many words just to say something exists?
Who there? I'm Professor Hootworth, at your service.
Ah, Leo. In English, it is a puzzle. But in Spanish,
We have a magic word. Just one little word to rule them all.
I. H-A-Y. Is that the right word?
It comes from the verb aber. It means there is or there are.
no need to worry about singular or plural. Just I.
Wait. One word for everything? Show me!
Let's look at existence and location. Tell me, Leo, what do you see?
En la nevera hay leche y huevos.
Perfecto. Now, look out the window.
¡Wow! Hay una casa en la colina. And look at the tree. Allí un pájaro en el árbol.
Wow, this town is amazing!
Hoot! ¡Wow! ¡Hay muchas personas en la plaza! ¡Ande en la fiesta! ¡Hay música y baile!
See? Whether it's one bird or 100 people, we just use I.
Whoa!
Exactly.
But Leo, what if you don't know if something is there? What if you need to ask a question?
Do I need to change the word? Like, are there or is there?
Nope. Just raise your voice at the end.
I hope someone's home. ¿Hay alguien en casa?
¿Hay comida en la nevera?
Let me help you, buddy. ¿Hay algún restaurante abierto ahora?
Brilliant! You asked, is there and are there just by using I as a question.
Whoa! Who turned out the lights?
Ah, the power of zero. When something does not exist, we simply put no in front of our magic word.
No hay luz en el edificio. And no hay agua en la casa. No problem.
Exactly. If the quantity is zero, just say no I.
Like right now. En este momento no hay tiempo para descansar. Let's keep moving.
Yeah!
Finally, my young scholar, we have a special combo. When you add K, it transforms.
Add K to I, and it transforms. It no longer means there is. It means one must, or it is necessary to.
Okay, new idea. Let's add this. Perfect. Yeah, done. Woo! Yes, we did it! So, if I want to say, one must study to be successful. Hay que estudiar para tener éxito. And if I want to learn Spanish, absolutely.
Hay que estudiar mucho para aprender español.
So let me get this straight. I means there is and there are. If it's a question, it means is there or are there. If nothing is there, it's no I bet. And if I have to do something, it's IK.
You've got it. En la vida hay momentos difíciles.
You've faced a lot of challenges, but learning Spanish doesn't have to be one of them.
Ya, hay mucho que aprender de esta experiencia.
If you love the magic of I, please like, share, and subscribe.
Muchas gracias y hasta luego. Bye bye. Hoot, hoot.